Crane lifting hook visual tracking and position confirmation system. This system uses AI technology to track the crane lifting hook's movements and its hanging status, ensuring the hook is properly positioned. Stable hook tracking. The system uses a self-developed algorithm that reliably tracks the hook's movement, even at high altitudes, making it easier for the driver to monitor and control the crane. Improved driver assistance. Adjustment. The system automatically zooms in and out to keep the hook and lug centered in the view. This ensures the driver sees all details clearly, even at different distances. Position confirmation algorithm. The AI checks whether the hook is hanging in the correct position on the lifting ear. This helps the driver make informed decisions, improving safety and efficiency. The lifting ear, the AI system checks if it's properly and stably hooked. This visual aid helps the driver make quick and accurate decisions, boosting efficiency. Expandable for ground cameras. The system can add ground cameras to give a clearer view of the hook's stability, ensuring that it's securely positioned. This helps operators make better judgments, especially in hard-to-see areas. Adapts to harsh conditions. The system can detect and adjust to difficult environments like high brightness, smoke, or flames, ensuring safety in challenging conditions. This version breaks down the technical aspects into more digestible points, making it easier to understand. Let me know if you need further clarification.